which 12 of those are minor or children at this point. That's what we've got at this stage.
We've put a joint team between ourselves, the city, and the stakeholders here. The Ward Councillor has been very helpful. I don't know where he is. Where's that Ward Councillor? Yes, come. The Ward Councillor has been very helpful. He can just give us the state of the building, the indications, and the work that they've been doing in the inner city, so that we have a broader picture of the situation. He has also been here ever since, so he knows everything. What Councillor, please just brief the President.
And thanks, President. President, this building was once used for abused women and children. It was a shelter. Then it used into a shelter. But then the people who were having a lease, it was expired on the 2013. But after that, then the thugs came in and hijacked the building. It happened once where one of the officials of the JPC were being manhandled here by these thugs and criminals. The other side, it was a clinic. Then it was closed because of some structural compliance. Then also is also hijacked, also that one. But let me take an opportunity to appreciate in terms of assistance that came from EMS and also the city, in particular the local government, that they make it a point that they assist the residents and also the family. Everyone that is being affected here is being assisted. As they are here now, CM is here and EM is here and the speakers here. All the MMCs were also here to assist everybody that is affected here.
Just brief the President of the difficulties of people who want to go back into the building and they don't want to go to places.
There's a challenge, President, because what is happening that some people are still staying outside, even though the city have organized a place for them to stay, because they say their belongings are still inside here, but they cannot go inside now because the building is not safe. It needs to be fenced off. Then the structural engineers, they also need to come out to check so that they can finalize and issue the report before anybody can come and take his belonging or her belonging. For now, nobody can come in. We are facing that challenge because the residents, the people who are staying here, the victims, they don't want to go. They are scared that maybe their belonging will be lost, they will be stolen. That's the challenges that we are having.
Okay. President, maybe together with the municipality, just take a walk around the door and then we'll then address the media.
And events like this, a response of 10 minutes when there's such a devastating fire is something that needs to be recognized. The sad part is that much as they fought the fire, they were not able to save everyone. And some people were saved, up to 49, but it's said that we've lost up to 74 people, and some of them children, who must have died very, very tragically. And this is the type of death that we never wish on anyone. And the aftermath of all this, in terms of the actions that have been taken, I have found to be in line with what we expect. The people were taken to hospitals, those who were still in a state of shock and injury, to the surrounding hospitals. And those who have lost their homes or accommodation are going to be catered for. The ministers and the MECs and the province and the city are working now full out to make sure that those who need assistance, from accommodation to trauma counseling to hospitalization, are being looked after. Now, obviously, this needs to be investigated. I was talking to the Premier earlier, and we are going through, and they are going through the process of setting up an investigation process, which the Premier and the city will announce in due course. We've got to go to the bottom of what caused this fire and also address from now on. It's a wake-up call for us to begin to address the situation of housing in the inner city. That a building like this, which I'm told used to be a home for abused women and children, once the lease had expired, it was then hijacked, and we need to get on top of this and find effective ways of dealing with